Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing chocolate makhana recipe, ideal as a healthy snack in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my kadai with 1 tablespoon A2 desi ghee. Once the ghee is heated, I'm adding in 2 cups makhana, also known as lotus seeds. It's ideal to include as a healthy snack when you are on a weight loss journey. Give it a good stir, and once the makhana is coated with the A2 desi ghee, lightly roast the makhana. Now the reason why you need to use a healthy source of fat like A2 desi ghee is to help bring down the glycemic index even further. So this way it will not make your blood sugar levels shoot up and helps to maintain your blood sugar levels, especially when you are on a weight loss journey. Give it a good stir and allow the makhana to get roasted. And once the makhana is roasted, transfer to a plate. Allow the makhana to cool down completely. To know whether the makhanas are roasted, take a makhana and crush it with your finger like this. And if it breaks and crumbles, then the makhana is nicely roasted. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half cup dark chocolate chips. I'm using Kavacha chocolate chips. However, you can use any variety of chocolate chips you have at hand. I'm using only dark chocolate chips. You can use half of dark chocolate and half of milk chocolate if you prefer. Into the bowl, I'm adding in half cup dark chocolate chips. I'm heating some water in a saucepan and I'm placing the bowl over the saucepan. And I'm going to allow it to rest like this for at least 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, give it a stir. And at this stage the chocolate has melted really well, and I'm going to turn off the flame and stir it really well. The rest of the melting will happen with the residue heat, so I'm going to give it a good mix. And once the chocolate is nicely melted, remove it from the hot saucepan. Add in the roasted makhanas. With a spoon, give it a good mix. Make sure the makhanas are coated with the melted chocolate. For an added crunch, I'm sprinkling in 1 to 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seeds. Give it a mix. I have already lined a baking tray with parchment paper, and I'm transferring the chocolate coated makhanas onto the parchment paper. As you can see, now everything is clumped together. So with a fork, I'm making sure that the makhanas are separated. Okay, now I have separated all of the makhanas. This way it will not clump together and you can enjoy individual pieces of makhanas coated with the chocolate. So this is a very super easy, simple and quick to make snack which you can make easily at home with just 3 or 4 ingredients. And lastly, I'm sprinkling in some more toasted sesame seeds on top. I'm going to transfer this to the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. So this has been sitting in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes you can see that it is perfectly done. Because the makhana is crunchy, this is a super crunchy snack to munch on. Now this should be kept in the refrigerator ideally. So guys, do try this healthy chocolate makhana recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.